So you IT, the test HR, the test operation. Now we don't have operation. Hello everyone and welcome back to Copy channel. Today we're going to turn this dashboard into completely custom professional web interface. No server calls, no database, just pure deployable HTML powered by your data, and we will be focusing on the employee management setup. What you need is requirements are so simple. All you need is a Google Sheet with a header from A1 to O1 or to anything you want, from to Z or to V, anything you want, and basic access only with extension and Google Apps Script. And we will use Google Apps Script to deploy it to our dashboard. So it's easy, it's very easy. It's kind of messed up, but I will make it easy for you. Okay, I'm gonna show you the final result first. The final result is this is our final result, and you can see that we have a dashboard employee management. This is our data. You can see EMP 000 and nil and 1. You can see right here. See HR. You can use display from 10 per page per table, or you can display from 50 to table as you want. Also, you can turn from to display another page right here. Let's say testing about our search. So if you want to search IT across the column like this, you can. Let's say mail. Mail right here. Is here. Oh, this is female. We need only mail, but it's lookalike. That's why we cannot do it. So we need to write some more. Let's say about HR only. So we return HR only. Okay. So let's get good to work. Right here, you need to open your data sheet, confirm header, confirm your header from there, like employee ID, full name, department, position, blah blah blah, whatever you have, but make sure they are not blank header cell. That and that right here should be real date, not text. Remember, it's not text you just type in. It actually that it's not formatted. So this is our step 1. That's all we need. Step 2, if we go into app script, when we're going to write some basic code. In Code.js, we're going to write backend codes. So first one, we have function do get right here, and function get table data is the data we take from here to display in here. And once you open it, you will not have this code. So let me create everything for you. When you open your first app script, you will see only Code.js. So to create it, you need to click add more, click HTML, and use it as index. And then we're going to delete all this and pass our code in here. And with saving project, click right here or Control S. After done everything, we will deploy it as the test deployment first. We're going to deploy, we're going to test deployment. In test deployment, we can see one link only. Right here, you can copy it and share to your developing system team. Or you can click right here to see that our code is working. Look like it's working right now. You can see from here, yeah, it worked fine at all. So after it worked fine at all, you need to deploy it to your management team. We didn't send the link in our test deployment because when you change something, test deployment, it will go into test deployment. So when you share to the management team, they will see the error or something like that. So we need to make new deploy for your new development management team. We're going to deploy, we're going to new deployment, and we're going to name it to dashboard employee. Right here, please take note right who has access is with anyone. So if you not pick anyone, they will cannot see it. So we're going to deploy. After deploy successfully, they will give us link. Right here, you can copy it and share to the next print. It's fine. Or you can click and see your view first to make sure it works totally fine. And right here, a testing come so IT, a test HR, a test operation. Oh, we don't have operation. Oh, let's say finance. We have finance right here, so it will display only finance right there. See, so this is just all you need to do, and don't worry about this. The code will be provided in the description or comment. And if you think this is going to help you or you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what feature you want next. Column sorting, CSV export, or row based access, and I will comment with code snippet and template link in my description. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.